Alright guys, the time has finally arrived to get the pedal commander installed. Let's do it. So this is the normal guest on the channel, but today, as I said before, I got the pedal commander for a different vehicle. So let's just say today I have a guest on the channel. Here it is. We're gonna put this on my 4Runner. This is a 2014 Toyota 4Runner, and the reason why I decided to get one for my 4Runner and not for the Charger, as I mentioned in the last video, is because this has a lot of power already. And I don't feel that there is a huge delay in the lag for the accelerator. But this here has a noticeable delay. Now, I did have the pedal commander on my 2015 Charger RT, which had 370 horsepower. This SUV it's pretty heavy. And it's lacking, as in it's only got 270 horsepower. So because of that, I decided I am going to try to install this pedal commander. Now keep in mind, the pedal commander does not make your car faster. It doesn't add any horsepower. It just gives you a better driving experience by removing the factory lag in the gas pedal when you try to accelerate. So basically it makes your car go faster. Now, the install is pretty simple. It goes, oh man, I should have vacuumed. But it goes right under here where the gas pedal is, right there, where all the grass is. And right up there you can see this plug there. So this install appears to be a lot easier than it was on the Charger RT, which I basically had to do minor surgery and I started to drip sweat. So it should be pretty easy, plug and play. Let's see how this goes. Now for those of you that are considering this mod, I'm going to just show you this page here. You can pause it and read it, but it basically covers the different modes that the pedal commander allows, from eco mode all the way up to Sport Plus. And then I'll show you this here. This is also the disclaimer. Basically what I talked about earlier, and it's a brief description of what it does. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, what you might want to do is kind of decide where you want to mount the module here. So I was initially thinking somewhere here, but I don't know. And that's where you kind of want to decide. I may just mount it here and then run the wires in through here down the back, and that would probably give it a lot cleaner look. But first things first, I need to use the alcohol wipe and clean the area that I will be mounting the unit and also installing the Velcro tab there. For the 4Runner, the particular model is listed here, the PC27, and I'm just running the cables underneath the steering wheel and pulling it out right behind. Little push pin on the top pulls it right out. You can see up there, just a little clip that needs to be pushed at the top. Now the instruction says to have your key fob at least 35 feet away, so that's how you want to make sure your power is off before doing this. And so the plug that we just disconnected goes into this one here, and it will clip into place, and then this one plugs into where you removed that from. So I'm just going to connect it now, and then basically it's just plugging this one in, and it should be in. Alright, I did hear it clip in to place, so it should be connected. There's the one here linked to the pedal commander and to the gas pedal module, which links directly to your car's computer, which again is what initiates that factory lag. So now I'm just taking this alcohol wipe, cleaning the back of the pedal commander before mounting that side, and then using the same cloth on a different side and basically putting it there. I'm going to clean off this side too, just in case I change my mind and decide to put it on this side. Let that dry. We are just about done here. So just a slight change of plans. I realize that this is kind of out of the way. I'd have to reach down and it's out of sight. I'm not able to see it from above the steering wheel. So I decided to put it off to the side here underneath the air conditioner control. And I think this material on the inside of the 4Runner, it might cling to it a lot better too. It's smoother versus textured there. So this is just the back bracket. Got the Velcro on there. And if I decide to relocate it, it's no big deal. And so this part here just basically connects in just like that. And I think it's a nice clean look there, slightly out of the way. But this is what I was saying, is that I don't need to really use the Bluetooth app if I can just control it from here while I'm driving. However, Pedal Commander does suggest to keep the car stopped when changing settings, as the changes could be sudden. And that's pretty much it. Just a simple, quick install. Now I know there's a lot of people here who want the chargers and the muscle cars and high power and performance, but this particular mod I decided to put on my 4Runner and also introduce a car to the channel. Not that it's going to be a regular thing, but realistically, I mean, I may decide to get a pedal commander for the Hellcat as well, maybe down the road. But for right now, I'm just doing it on this. That's a quick install for anyone that may have a 4Runner or even a Tacoma or Tundra, any kind of Toyota vehicle. Maybe this video could help you. So just want to thank you guys for watching this short video. Leave a thumbs up if you want to support the channel on the way out. It doesn't cost you anything. And comment again if you have a pedal commander in your car, regardless of the make or model, and just explain your experience with it. Next video would probably be my driving impressions, as I haven't driven this car yet with the pedal commander recently installed. So that's going to be something that I'm looking forward to as well. Just want to thank you all for watching once again. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.